Do we still need human intervention at all?
The short answer is yes. The key for digitalizing the healthcare system is to see technology as an enabler and not the end solution. Both have to work hand in hand, seamlessly, in the interest of the patient. So in the rollout of any technology, we need to deploy all of that technology while keeping the patient at the heart of the framework. Without it, it will not work. And behind, if we talk about Axios Plus specifically, what we need to keep in mind is what's behind the technology. Axios is turning 25 this year, and behind Axios Plus, you have 25 years of experience in access to treatment and adherence. This can be seen through the different platforms with the user-friendly interface, the 25 years of experience and processes. We know that they work, and we have successfully implemented those in the technology. We also have validation mechanisms in order to ensure that the right patient is getting the right medication at the right time. All of that is possible if we keep patient centricity. So in short, yes, the technology is crucial. It will help, definitely help the healthcare environment. But behind all of this is humans. And we know from experience that all the access and adherence solutions only work if you have the human factor involved in those.